Hello. No idea why the bot doesn't announce the stream on Discord. It worked last time.
No, I'm listening.
Gotta create my own bot, I guess. They're all so unreliable. God damn. I guess I'm gonna post a message manually. That sucks. Okay, save. And save. Maybe it works now? Nope. Okay. Gotta share the link real quick. Okay, okay. Very good. Boom. Okay, that took a while. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna switch the scene now. Hello, so we can actually see something. Okay, welcome, welcome. So, I guess, yeah, let's work on the mod again, I guess. Liberty Transport Authority. Let's see how far we'll come today. Let's see how long it will take. And let's see what kind of bugs we encounter. Okay. Let me first see where we at. Let me compile a mod and test it in game. I worked a little bit on the UI off screen because that part is annoying. And I tried to save you the annoying part. But it has to be done. It has to be done. Okay, debug. Very good, very good. Let's connect controller and test. Let's see. GTA 4 time. GTA 4 development time even. Okay. So UI. F10 opens the UI, it opens the Liberty Transport Authority HQ UI. The headquarters. From here you can control everything and you don't have to actually drive to the headquarters yourself or to the bus depot. So basically LTA bus department, you can click on that and become bus driver instantly instead of actually having to drive there, which can be, well, I mean, it's realism, I guess, that we actually have to drive there, but for people that don't want that, well, they can do it. Okay, available bus routes, none, there are none. Gotta have to work on that. Begin route, please select a route from the list, okay. Well, there are none, so... Okay, we are currently a bus driver, and if we try to click on the LTA bus department again, we instantly get sent to the menu in which we can select a route and begin the route. If you click on the LTA rail department instead and try to become a train driver, it tells us to cancel our current job first to change it. Okay, so we definitely need a button in the LTA bus department or in the HQ menu to cancel our current deployment as a bus or rail driver. That's something we gotta do. Well, currently it doesn't matter if you are a bus or rail train driver, it doesn't work anyway. So the audio, did I change something about the audio? Let me increase the SFX. Let's go here.
The next stop is
Iroquois Avenue, Cisco Street.
Okay. So the next stop would be here.
the next stop is
Algonquin Dukes Expressway.
Okay, this one would be here.
Last stop, this bus terminates here.
Okay, and he says last stop, this bus terminates here. That's not correct because there's actually another stop and it doesn't work for some reason. Like, it stops a little bit too soon. And wait a minute. Wait, where was it? It's not in fun, is it? Ah, missed it. Yeah, it's right here. Unlock all islands, please. I wanna go there. So the last stop would be somewhere here. Somewhere here, maybe here somewhere. Ah, there we go. There it is. Now let's see. Okay, no announcement. Who knows why? Okay. I try to log in a little bit with the development. So I actually get some progress here. Let's see if this still works.
Credits to the education system.
The next stop is
Broke a bridge.
Pro coverage. Okay, hold on, I really dislike this music actually. A little bit more relaxed maybe for development. Is appropriate written correctly? Yes, very good. well, I did want to at least try to concentrate on code a little bit, so I get some stuff done today. Need to check something. Get car model, okay. That's different. is there such a large offset here? Who knows? Okay, this is the closest stop. Water break. All right.
And then my mother does not live in cage and zoo.
Okay, that's good. Increase the distance a little bit. Okay, I think that's fine. So when we are stopped at a bus stop, we should get the option to open the doors of the bus to let the passengers in or out. That we should do. The reflection on that bus, yay! Wait. That's... Ah, you mean the on the glass or what? Or I mean Fusion Fix, man. Fusion Fix has really good reflections. Improves the graphics a lot. Fusion Fix. Very good mod. Very recommended. Are you going to make buses do their own routes before you having to do it? Yes, definitely. But first I will work on the player driving feature, and then we have a base for the NPC driver. Definitely, 100%. Otherwise, this would be, it would still be cool, but wouldn't be so cool. Wouldn't be nearly as cool, I think. A new transportation route in Liberty City in GTA 4. This would be pretty nice. The only pain would be to actually create all those bus routes, and so that they also make sense. That's a big pain. So. Äh. Yeah, that would be pretty sick. That would almost be like some kind of city skylines thing. Advanced AI thing. Yeah, I have some ideas for this mod. Not sure if I can add them all. Some are pretty difficult, but yeah, one step at a time. You mean like completely new stops or what? Wait, where was I? So, the bus stops here and then we should get the option to open the door. It should be a native for that. Let's just control car door, nice. Wait, door. Get car door lock status. Get door angle ratio. That's cool. Get door state. Object. Undocumented. Maybe GTA 5 could help us out. 5M. GTA 5 native functions. Get door. Get vehicle door status. Well, who knows? Who knows what this native is for? Is car door fully open? Okay, well, this is what I'm looking for. Oh, that's what you mean. Yeah, of course, yeah. I mean, this should work like that. So, closest stop. If the closest stop is not now, I think... Let's Let's create a little toggle thing. Let's do enter for now. Okay, I guess 0 might be the front. The driver door, not sure. Maybe open. Let's 1. Let's see. Angle. What if we do 1? Let's see what happens. Oh, nice. Okay, that instantly opened the door. Isn't there an animation for it? Okay, this is set to true. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, if the door is fully open, then I guess we set it to 0, otherwise 1. Seriously? But this kind of reminds me of the time when I had surgery and they're about to gave me the anesthesia, all the stuff so you sleep, and then the doc kind of joked about like Michael Jackson style. I was like, what the hell? He's about to give me that and then he jokes about Michael Jackson. What the fuck? Don't remember what he said, but something about Michael Jackson. And that in combination, I don't know. Fuck. Why is the car not closing? Why is the door not closing? Maybe might be because of the angle. So what's unknown may be open then about. Set that to 0. See what happens. Nice. Nice. Okay, where's my clipboard? That? What you talking about? Control car door. Okay, this opens and closes the door. Oh, only the left door. Isn't there an animation for it? Why is it instant? Do I have to do it myself? I don't like that. Come on, game. Open car door. Is there also a closed car door? Shut car door. I think that this shuts it instantly. Open car door opens it normally. Yes, there is an animation for it, but only if the player actually gets in out. But if the script controls the car door, then I don't know if there is an animation. I think open car door actually has an animation, but shut car door does not. It shuts instantly. Is there no close car door? Close all car doors. Oh, okay, this I mean. Let's use this. Let's see if there's an animation for it. I had a problem with the chaos mod I made a while back. I wanted the car doors to open smoothly and close smoothly, but open worked, but it closed instantly. That I did not like. Okay, let's see. I press enter. Nothing happened. Maybe it's too fast. Okay, nothing happens. Why? Is car door fully open? Okay, oops. This should be the other way around. Let's see. It opens instantly, what the hell? Okay, close. Okay, close them instantly. Or did I forget to copy the script? I remember there was a... I think I need to check. I don't remember. Actually. Let's see. Enter. It closes. Opens instantly. It closes instantly. Or maybe the bus doesn't have one. What happens? Oh shit! It crashed. Yeah. Hello, Nico. Goodbye, Nico. What happened? Ain't no way. It's crazy, yo. I'm telling you, we are kind of connected. There's like black magic going on. Oh no. Doop 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 doop. Okay, let's try again. It shouldn't crash now. Or maybe it does. Oh, it still crashes. Why? Okay. Okay, taskbar is broken again. Very cool. Ah, because of this. Oh. Very smart. Man. Ain't no way. I shouldn't minimize this. Let me also unpin this. Okay, no more crash. That also applies to you, Mayor. No more crash. Hopefully. Shouldn't crash. Yep, told ya. So what happens when we try this with a standard vehicle? Ah, see? Okay, this is actually related to the bus. Nico, stop closing the door. It opens smoothly and closes. Okay, it closes instantly. Okay, I guess that's just how it is. Oh wait, I can transform. Okay, the right door should also open. It might be index 1. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Could be. So is car door fully open 0 or is car door fully open 1? Then just close all the car doors and then open car door 0 and 1. I guess 1 is... Oh my god, the taskbar. This... so embarrassing, Windows. Oh, Task Manager also isn't focusable. Oh, cool. Oh, Alt F4 also doesn't work anymore. Oh my god, I love Windows. I absolutely love Windows. I can't do anything. Oh, now I can. Let's see, maybe it works magically. Okay, I cannot click on anything, but I can still... Yeah, GTA4 is playable on Linux, pretty sure. Not sure if IVSDK.net is fully compatible with Linux. Probably not. Okay. There we go. So open car door 0. Oh yeah, I know. Thank you though. Just unbelievable how broken Windows is. It's crazy. So let's press enter and okay, both doors open. It's 0 and 1. And both doors close. That's pretty cool, It would also be pretty cool if you actually could enter the bus from the back door. That would be so cool. Or that passengers could leave from the back door. That would be super cool. Okay, so if the car doors are open. Oh, by the way. We can try. Let's see. 2 and 3. Open car door 2 and 3. Let's see if they open. I mean, I'm guessing it's index 2 and 3. Let's press enter and... Oh, they open and even with an animation. Why? Okay, let's close them. Okay, they close instantly, but... Okay, so a view on the front doors and back doors. They open. With an animation even. So yeah. It's the bus fault. Or the doors, the front doors. Maybe misconfigured or something. Like Rockstar usually does with GTA 4. Bunch of misconfiguration. Yeah, I wish you could enter from the back doors. The back doors. I wish you could actually use them. They're just a visual thing, unfortunately. Oh my. I don't know what you mean. Okay. So, if this car door fully open or if this car door is fully open. Let's also check for... Nah. Let's also check for this... First of all... Move that if check here. Okay, controlled car. I mean, we could probably get an animation going with the controlled car door native function. But nope, not yet. For now, this is good enough. Okay, so if car door is fully open, 0 and 1, then let's check for passengers. I'm also curious if the amount of passengers that can be in a bus could be increased. Probably, actually. Okay, is car door fully open? Is car door fully open? Then let's try the get closest pet thing. Get closest pet. Okay, takes 2 unknown arguments, which are probably, according to the 5M documentation, the first might be scan for random pets, and the second one is scan mission pets, or include mission pets in the check. Scan random pets, yes. Scan mission pets. Let's not scan for those for now. But get closest pet is only gets... Okay, this is fine, it's fine. Okay. If a pet was found, then we draw a checkpoint at the position. Let's make this a green checkpoint. Or you know what, yellow. I wonder if get closest pet can also return the player pet, but we'll see, I guess. Okay, let's open the doors. Okay. Nothing is showing. I guess it does not scan for the player pet. I remember this native not working really well. Let's put this up here. Get closest pet at the player position. So we can actually get on foot. And then check. Okay, it doesn't detect him. Oh. Okay, it detects him. And her. Does not detect him for some reason. No idea why. Does not detect them. Maybe because they actually have a scenario attached to them. Maybe I can break this. Yeah, no idea. Oh. It's quite unreliable, as one could see. Let's test some more pets. Okay, okay. Okay, he definitely has a scenario attached to him. Standing and smoking there. What about her? Okay, I don't know why it doesn't work for her. Let's see. This old lady. Let's see. Wasn't there a cop here? Did he just respawn? What the hell? Okay. Okay. It works for her. Interesting, interesting. Does it work for pets in vehicle? Not sure if I should actually use this native function. Okay, no one sitting there. Where's the next bus stop? I specifically want to try bus stops. Oh, it worked for him. Oh no. I should save the game when I do unlock all islands. Okay, another bus stop. Somewhere here. Also no pet sitting there, what the hell? Can you please spawn? Where are all the bus stops? Oh, I think there's one. But there's probably no pet in there. I can already tell. But let's get surprised. Are there pets waiting at this bus stop? Yes. Very good. He probably has a scenario and he won't get detected by the native function. And that's bad. Oh, he's eating chocolate. Okay, I guess I have to make my own search function. Search for nearest pets, closest pets. Let's do it. I guess I should also... Should I return one pet only or a list of pets? Let's only scan for one pet. Get closest pet. Position, float, range. Okay. IV pool. Get from type. Pet pool. I think I'm gonna return a handle instead. Get char coordinates. Handle out back chords, and then if vector 3.distance and position back chords range. Wait, let's do it. It's below range, then we turn the handle. Oh, if is char mission now? Is pet mission? Is pet a mission? Pet, okay. And we also want to continue. Is char getting into a car? He's already getting into a car, and we also don't want to include him. Okay, that's this. Let's see. Okay. He's recognized instantly. Very good. What about those? Nice. What about her? Nice. What about him? Nice. Works much better. Even if they have a scenario attached to them. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay. Get closest pet, that's pretty good. Okay, let's find the perfect offset for it. Definitely move it to the right. Move it up a little bit.
Next time,
Shit.
stay out of my way.
No, don't run away. Oh, okay. This reminds me. We need to check if the jar is dead.
Hey, yo, it's me. What's poppin'?
Yeah, that's pretty good. So 1-8, we get closest pet. If is jar dead? Or is jar fatally injured? And we also skip him. Okay, pretty nice. So we can use this offset now to get all the pets at the bus station. But what kind of name should I give it? Offset bus find pets offset. Or maybe final offset. So let's do that down here. Oh, nice. He sat down for us. Pretty cool. So let's open the door. The bus door. Why doesn't it open the door? The door doesn't open. What happened? Oh, because it's not the closest stop. I guess let's edit the closest stop. Okay, where was it? Options. Yes, options, info displays, coordinates display. Okay, minus 60. VO2. Minus 60, 302, 14.68. Yeah, now it should work. So let's open the door. And once the doors are open, we can see that the pet is registered. Oh. Ah, okay, that's not so nice. Should maybe lower the search range. Let's do 3.5. Ah, still too much. Let's do 2.5. Yeah, okay, it's better. Okay, and now that we actually got a waiting pad at the bus station, we can now, well, once the doors open, they automatically start entering. But for now, let's do it manually and give him a task to enter the car. If ein good IV is key pressed. Let's do what should I do? Okay. So task char get go to task get into car maybe enter task enter car as passenger. Okay. The waiting pad should enter the duration. What's duration? Maybe if the pet doesn't enter the car in the given amount of whatever seconds, or it's probably seconds, then, or milliseconds rather, then he aborts the task. Let's do 1 second. I hope it's milliseconds. Seat index. Oh, we have to specify seat index. So we actually have to know which seats are already occupied, and isn't there a way to just get in and choose whatever seats you want? Let's see what has the pet task controller to offer. From the class coding lib. Okay, warp into vehicle, that's not what we want. enter vehicle. Okay, we actually need to specify a seat index. Interesting. Let's do seat index 0. Or maybe if we do -1, it would automatically determine which seat the pet should sit on. But unfortunately, -1 is not supported because it's a uint. But who knows? Maybe this wouldn't actually work. I mean, we can verify. Let's search the GTA 4 SCO scripts for this native. And see how the GTA 4 script developers did it. Used it. And it's used quite a lot. So what do we have here? A bunch of zeros. Oh, the duration is actually given as a -1. That probably means infinite. We cannot do that here because it's a uint. IVSDK.net limitation. -2. Interesting. Even more than infinite, probably. Oh, I see a -1 here. So this native function does support entering a minus as the seed index. Damn. Well, this is good to know, but also not good currently because IVSDK.net limits us. That's not good. But that's a multiplayer script. Maybe those work different. Or maybe the native works differently in multiplayer mode. Okay, now. Okay, we have the Terrible of Ketoni script, which also has -1 as the seed index. Okay. I guess I gotta work on IVSDK.net next to update those natives. Oh, what the hell is this? Okay. This is a little bit unfortunate, but for now, I guess let's use the 0. Or maybe we could actually try to call the native ourselves somehow. Oh, this might be a possibility. I guess we could try, but I'll be right back. Alright. Got myself a little beverage. It's not a monster. Definitely not. Okay, where were we? So, calling a native function manually from within C#. If this would be .NET 10 or 8, this wouldn't be an issue, but this is .NET Framework, which doesn't have the most modern features like memory editing and such, or calling unmanaged functions. So, I mean, I guess we could try. There is the IV descripts find native address, and we can give it the native hash. Okay. Now I guess I'm gonna get it like so. Native hash task enter car as passenger. Oh yeah, needs to be a uint. Okay, this function gives us the memory address of this native function, so there still is a way to call this native function. Let's try it. Who knows if this will work? Okay, pet vehicle duration seed index. Pet vehicle duration seed index. Okay. How does this work again? So this is something within the system runtime, I guess. Runtime interop services. Marshal dot something get function pointer for delegate. Get delegate for function pointer. this should be it. Okay, now we need to define... Oh, how should I do this? Not even sure if this works. Okay, how does a GTA 4 native function look like? Internally. I think this is something like... How does this even work in delegate? Can delegate bool, okay. Delegate uint, I guess. And this takes in a something with native context or something. Was it a native context or was it a native call context? Might be a native call context. What's this? Invoke. Oh wait, this might be easier. Because we have... Ah, this might be actually easier. This might actually be a bit simpler than I first thought. Invoke. So, the hash. Then we need to pass in a IV native context. Okay, allocate new. Okay, we definitely need to call delete once we're done with it. Then we pass in the context. And then we give it the arguments it expects. Push. Yeah, push. Patch. Vehicle duration seed index. And then we can call the native using this native context. Let's see if this works. So, weighing patch, vehicle is current vehicle. Duration, let's do -1 and seed index, let's do -1. Alright, let's see if the game crashes or not. Alright, let's press K. Oh, game does not crash and he actually gets in the bus. At the next available seat, I would assume. Oh. Oh, he gets out. Oh. Oh, what happened? What the hell? What do you want? Okay, I probably need to set him as a mission pet. I guess he assumed that I was gonna kidnap him. Please go away from me. Yep, you see this? Go away. Okay, let's settle the pet as a mission pet. So we have full control over him. Set Char as mission Char. Okay, but pretty nice, it actually worked. So let's get in the bus again. No, please open the door. Let's press K. Okay, he glitches out. It's very normal behavior. At least in GTA 4 land. Let's help him out, I guess. Nice. Pretty cool. He gets in the bus. Oh, he closed the door from there. Okay, that's it. Okay, nice. That's actually an NPC, a tractor here. Let's open the door. And let's tell him to get in. Same behavior, nice. Maybe I should actually wait until he gets up. Oh, another contestant. Okay. Oh, he just took his vehicle. What? He just took his seat. Okay, -1. Oh, now they're gonna fight. Okay, -1 might not be the correct value. -1 might mean... I don't know what it means. Throw any NPC out if the seat is already taken. Okay, I guess get number of passengers. Let's just use this value here. Oh, I think he's gonna sit down. Oh, maybe not. Please someone sit down so we can test this. Ah, goddamn. Alright, let's just wait. Okay, we have someone. Let's try this. Please, lady, get in. Oh. Get in, but don't glitch out, please. God damn. Okay, she got in at the siege index 0, I guess. Let's tell him to get in. We also need to help him out. Alright. Does this work as expected? Okay, nice. He takes the next seat. I wonder what happens if... when the bus is full and another NPC tries to get in. I bet he's just gonna throw out the person sitting at seat 0 or something. Or maybe the game crashes. Okay, nice, another contestant. Please get in. Nice, before he glitches out. Okay, seat index 3. Another one, please. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, he's just gonna... Yeah, but now they wanna fight. Alright, I see how it is. I see how it is. Maximum passengers 3, that's pretty low, actually. If there is a way to increase the passengers in the bus, that would be so nice. I have some ideas, but that definitely takes a bit to implement. Okay, get number of passengers. Okay, let's just check. Is bigger or equal to? Okay, this is bigger than 2. Okay, this NPC unfortunately is still a mission char. So we will just stand there and do nothing. The mod definitely needs to clean it up when it unloads. Okay, another NPC. Yes, please get in. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. Alright, let's see how many passengers there are in the car, so we can account for that. Hello there, Beast Baller. Well, my day has been good so far. What about yours? Some GTA 4 development for the Liberty Transport Authority mod. Okay, 1 passenger as expected. Okay, these guys need to stop fighting. Let's... Please go away. Passengers. Alright, let's see. Let's see how fast the bus stop will accumulate with that. Okay. Probably not these guys. Nope. Right, we got a pet. Get in our bus, please. Okay, we got 1 passenger. Nice. Please don't close the door. Why do they close the door? Okay, another pet, please. I should just spawn in there. Oh. Okay, please get in, lady. Okay, we now have 2 passengers.
I listen to that show every day.
Okay, still room for 1 more. Please get in. Yes. Okay. But 3 is unfortunately the maximum. So... if number passengers equals 3, then we return. We don't allow any passenger, any new passenger to get in. So what kind of script mods are you installing? Okay, sir, please get in the car. This shouldn't work. Yes, it doesn't work. It was good. It was good. Man. Neighbors should fix their damn toilet valve. It's whistling like crazy. 3 passengers in a bus, that's really lame. That is really lame. Really gotta find a way to increase the limit. I should just stay here. This is a pretty good spot, I guess, to test stuff out. Okay. So I guess now we want to make it so. Oh, wait. Oh, damn. Crap. Okay, get closest pet. I definitely want to return multiple pets. And the limit should be we. What the hell was that? So many noises here. Spooky, spooky. Okay. Let's return an int array. Pet. Yeah, exactly. How does Visual Studio know? I want 4 elements in it. Then we return the pets thingy. Damn. Maybe I should actually just make it a list. This is much simpler. But initialize it with 4 elements, so it's a little bit optimized. Not that it would make a difference, I guess. Okay, pets at handle. Alright, the bus in GTA Vice City and such was able to carry more than 3 passengers, I guess, right? I always love to drive around in Vice City with a bus and then pick up passengers. Young me was a really fan of this. Episodes from Liberty City is different than base GTA 4 standalone EFLC. So if these are Script.net mods, which I guess they are, yeah, chances are that they work best on GTA 4, not the standalone EFLC. What does the mod do? This will basically allow the player to become a bus or train driver for roleplay as such, for roleplay reasons, I guess, when player want this. And I also want to make it so that buses will actually drive around the map like AI buses, and then the player can get in one. Another transportation method. Another method of transportation. Wait, how does this work? So you can carry like 10 people in a bus or what? Could you actually see within the bus, or was it closed off? I don't remember the buses in LCS. In Vice City it was like a little door at the front, then the NPCs just vanished. Oh wow, why? Why did they remove this for GTA 4? Like, I don't understand. Why did they limit 3 passengers only? I mean, I get it. It's easier to implement, less work, but please don't be so lazy, Rockstar. Thanks. Okay, now we can loop through the waiting pets list. And then get each pet within the waiting pets list. Okay, wait. One thing. If the list is bigger than 4, like there are more than 4 pets waiting, then we should limit this to 4. Let's do this here. I guess bigger than 3. Let's see how this works, or how this looks. Let's throw them pets out.
Wow, that pickup line was simply puke-tastic.
Well, even 7-8 is better than like only 3, like we currently have in GTA 4. This seems to be also quite hard-coded. Or I wonder if one could like edit the bus model or bus information file and then allow for more seats. Oh, come on. I wonder if more pets are gonna come at this let me just spawn more pets. This is dumb. HC spawn, pet spawning. What kind of options do we have? I hope it doesn't spawn with the mission pet state. This kind of looks like mission pet stage, because they don't move. Okay, it looks like they are mission pets, so let's temporarily disable the check for that. Let's see if they now show up. Yes, they do. Okay, they look at the bus, so they definitely got the task to get in, but they don't get in. They don't. What's going on? Oh, okay, now he gets in. Probably because they both got the task at the same time, then they had to decide. They had to decide who goes in first. But I couldn't decide. Okay, and he's just stuck there. But wait, he's still not going in though. And now he is, okay. Oh, because he keeps getting the task. he keeps getting the task enter car as passenger task, and that makes him stuck. So if you could check if the task already has been given to him, that would be nice. I don't think there's such a function. What is there? Get task, get script task status. This could be it. Task. Is it within the task enum, maybe? Enter. Enter any car as driver, no passenger. Nope. I think I'm gonna check the more word events mod, because I think I had something implemented to check the current status of the task. Oh no, this was okay, I know. Okay, I know how this works. We gotta create a, what was it? A task sequence for the pet. Maybe open sequence task. Okay. We definitely need to create a new class for this. How should we call it? Bus passenger. Let's do a dictionary first. I think this is easier for now. Maybe I'm gonna change that though, because it's indexable. Hey, hello there, Paul Dog. How's it going? Passengers. Let's just initialize it right here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's test if the pet is already a passenger. We do that by calling it the contains key. The key will be the pet handle. Okay, if the pet is not already a passenger, then we add him to the passenger list. And then we can actually give the passenger the task to get in the bus. Okay. Okay, I guess my stream is gonna get the copyright strike because Spotify just switched playlist. I don't know why it can shuffle out of a playlist. This I don't get. Please shuffle. I don't get it, Spotify. Why? Thank you, Spotify. Ah, finally notifications work. Thanks for the follow. Kong, have you ever been into modding of SCO files? Like game mode mods? I've done some light SCO modding in the past, but nothing major. Yeah, I mean, C# is actually my, and .NET mods is my area. Because you can actually create a lot more powerful scripts with it. So I've not been into SCO modding that much, but I have done it before. Okay, wait, I think we can actually... Wait, I did actually wanted to try making new game modes for Games for Windows Live. Though as a .NET mod. One thing I'm really interested in is like a Battle Royale mod for GTA 4. I think it would be funny. Like all players start on Happiness Island and then they fly over all 3 major islands. They can drop off there. Well, wherever they want. Yeah, I should also mention that I never edited a SCO script before, I only made one. I don't know how editing a SCO script works, honestly. Okay, passengers contains key. Actually, this doesn't need to be a dictionary. This can just be a standard list. Okay, we add the passenger to the list. When it's if not contains, then we add, and then yeah, this I think is better. This should work better because it now only assigns the task to the pets once instead of every time, which bugs them out. Okay, he gets in, that's pretty cool, that's pretty cool. Oh. I gotta remove the NPCs though, I'm so sorry. Delete an area. Let me spawn some NPCs here. Vendor, this guy, tourist, and him. Let's see how this. Oh, okay, this works. Okay, they all now gonna try to enter the bus. What about him? Ah, now it works. That's pretty cool. Oh, he gets out. What happened? Oh, damn. Oh, he gets... Oh, okay, they're gonna fight or what? Hmm. Okay. They're gonna... Okay. I think what's happening is there are already 2 pets in the bus. Then the script detects 2 pets that are outside, gives both of them the task to get in. Then one pet gets in, and then the other one follows and throws one out, and then the cycle continues. So we have an infinite cycle. So we somehow gotta account for that. I think I'm gonna add a little limit here. Limit for how many pets we can actually get. Let's remove this. So limit 3. So it keeps looping here. I'm gonna move this if check. So if the distance is above the target range, then we continue, because the pet is not within the distance, the search distance. Otherwise we add the pet, and before that we check if the limit is reached. Or maybe you can actually do that below here. Count is bigger or equal to the limit. Then we return the list. Oh, and if we do -1, then we don't have a limit. So 0. It's not below or equal to 0. Then we have no limit. Let's see if this works. Let's return here, so this code is not gonna run. And let's test this function.
Excuse me!
Oh wait, why am I in the passenger seat now? What the hell? Someone was occupying the driver's seat. Okay, current vehicle is null, then we need to move this here. Player position. Was there something else I wanted to do? I think I wanted to visualize the pets. Oh, I need to ignore the player pet. Damn. I totally forgot about that. Okay. Okay, if the pointer is equal to the player pet pointer, then we ignore it. Totally forgot this function also includes the player. Okay, we got 2 pets. Let's see. It should only give us a maximum of 3 pets. Let's see if it works. Okay, there are a lot of pets right here.
How did this insane law get passed? You can say that again!
Ah, 4 pets. Nope, that's not so nice. It's not what I want. 4 pets.
Oh yeah, real afraid of you, Mr. Alpha Male. Jeez, get that!
It seems like it's locking out at 4 though. Yeah, okay, I should do the check before that. So this is probably the issue.
You know, that wasn't necessary! You noticed that grandma's always
Okay, 3 pets are recognized, and does it recognize any more? Oh, it still does. That's cool. Why though? Probably because of this, honestly. Maybe I can trim the list a little bit. Oh, what a mistake. If limit is above 0. So if the limit is above 0, then it actually checks the limit, which should be 3 pets. Okay, I'm just gonna spawn some pets here. 1, 2, 3, and it stays at 3 pets. It only gives 3 pets now, which is exactly what we want, but I still have the... this shouldn't actually be an issue. So if the limit is above 0, so we actually want to limit the amount of pets this function gives us. Then it checks if the count of the pets list that were found is bigger or equal to the limit, and it returns the list. I might want to do this down here. But it seems fine for now. I bet this function is coming back to hound me at some point. But I mean, it works for now. Let's spawn another pet. And this pet is not recognized. It's not included. Which is good. So this function works. We can get rid of this. So if the number of passengers is 3, which means this is the maximum amount of passengers there can be in a bus, and we return. So we'll get closest pets. The maximum we want is 3. Then we can also remove this. Alright, and this function here adds them to the list. If a pet doesn't yet exist in the list, this also allows us to make this call only once. I wonder, does this change the situation already? Does this change anything? Let's see. Okay, we got one. Oh, maybe not. Do we want our test sub? Apparently not. Maybe he wants to be our test subject? Nope. Honestly, I should just spawn them in again, instead of relying on random NPCs to actually come to the bus station. Let's do this. Wait, one thing I want to do. Let's okay, this is hello there, Sparkless. What's up? Let me just lower the size of the checkpoint and the size of the checkpoint for the NPCs, so we can see a little bit better. That is better. Alright, let me spawn them in. Oh, what's up? Hello there. Alright, let's spawn. Oh damn. That's fine. Let's spawn in 4 NPCs. One NPC should be how do I say it? One NPC should be left behind. They will not be able to enter the bus because there are only 3 passengers allowed in the bus. Alright, let's open the doors. Okay, one gets in. The other one, oh. Okay. They are throwing themselves out again. Ah, damn. Now they are fight again. I wonder, pretty sure it's because of this. Alright, let me try something. So There can be 3 passenger pets in the bus. Unfortunately, it's way too few. Very underwhelming. Though I want to look for a way to allow for more passenger seats to be usable in the bus. That would be pretty cool. So a bus mod would also make a lot more sense. But it could also be pretty nice in multiplayer. So, what would get... Oh, get maximum number of passengers. Okay, wait. Get number of passengers. Yeah, honestly, this was actually what I wanted to do. That already exists. Oh, okay, right. Let's try to pass it in here. Numpass. So this goes from 0 to 3. Let me think. Honestly, I think the easiest way is to check if... Yeah. Why am I not doing this like it did? If waiting pad count is not 0 and passengers count is not 3. This is the simplest way to do it. Oh, but I do want the passenger check. Okay, let's see. Let's spawn 4 NPCs again. And only 3 should get in. Damn. Well, get in. Ah, why does he get out? Ah, because he... I see. They all want to go in this seat. And they... Oh. That's why they are fighting. They're fighting over this one seat. Let's reload the mod so the list gets reset. Let's yeah, okay. I do need to wait for one NPC to actually... Or maybe I can just... Yeah, I guess we do need to wait for one passenger to enter the bus first. Before we can give another pet the task to enter the bus. So get closest pets. You know what? I'm gonna copy this function and change it to only return one pet. Char getting into a car. Okay, wait, let me store the closest pet up here. If closest pet is 0, then we try to find a closest pet. If closest pet is not 0, then we see if the char is sitting in the vehicle actually. Is there a native for that? Probably is char sitting in car. Okay. In any car. In any car would probably work. But I'm gonna do it like that. Pet, closest pet, vehicle, its current vehicle. Let me check something. Okay. If not, is char getting into a car? Then we give him the task to actually get into a car. Okay, and if the char is getting into a car, oh no, I should actually check this right here. If is char sitting in car, then we set the closest pet to 0. So it would repeat the cycle for another edge. Let's see how this works. Or if this even works. Okay, one patch. Let's see. Okay, one pet is in. Let's open the door to allow another pet to get in. Okay, another. Oh my god, why is he exiting? Because wait, but that's weird. He didn't even wanted to steal his seat. Let's see, what about him? Speed index. Alright, let's just print out how many passengers there are in the car. Or maybe I should actually let's see. I honestly don't know why this happens. Okay, one passenger. Yeah, they are fighting again. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, okay, it crashed. That was bound to happen at some point. Expected that. The mod doesn't do proper cleanup at the moment. Oops. Okay, the pet at the back is looking, but he doesn't actually get in. Is it because he's stuck, or is it because he keeps getting the task to get in the car? Because... oh. Okay. Ah, okay, I understand what the duration is about. So when the passenger gets the task to enter a car as passenger, and if we pass in 1000, which means 1 second, if he isn't in a car as a passenger in 1 second, he will get teleported in the vehicle. So yeah, I mean, can be a good failsafe. Let's increase that to 4 seconds maybe. But it still doesn't work so well. I guess get... Need to... Don't quite know how to do it. Do it right at the moment. Well, this works. This would work once, but definitely won't work a second time. Is Shah sitting in the car? Well, I hope it's somewhat enjoyable. The stream, I guess it's boring. Coding can be fun, but can also be quite boring. Especially if you need to like fix errors and such. That's always a pain. Oh, crash again. Okay, that's because of the mod, which doesn't handle all the proper cleaning stuff right now. Okay, one more try with this. Let's see if this changes anything. Oops, I just spawned a player. Oh, I changed a player model. Oh, oops. I meant to do pet spawning. Okay, 4 pets right here. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, this is exactly why I wanted to stream. So maybe, because I maybe thought, maybe some people are interested in the coding part and how mods actually get created. So this is awesome to see. Thanks for watching. Awesome to see that you're interested in it. So for pets, no guarantee that this will work. Let's open the door. Okay, the first NPC. Welcome. Welcome aboard. Oh, he instantly leaves. This is... why? Oh, he just teleported back. Oh, he keeps teleporting back. This is because of the duration. It's set as to -1. But I don't understand why... Oh, okay. Okay, whoops, my bad. I need to add him to the passengers list, so this code here only executes once. Otherwise, the code keeps giving him the task to enter the vehicle, and this creates problems. Oh no. Oh no, I hope the game doesn't crash. Let's reload the scripts. Oh, let's close the door first and then reload scripts. Oh. Okay. Okay, I guess the tourist can keep doing what he does. Oh no. I think they're gonna fight again. Ah. Let's get out of this vehicle. Okay, now I should be able to. Oops. Damn, this tourist. Damn. I'm sorry, I have to break this fight. Oh. Nice. Oh no, okay, now the game crashes because... yeah, it's not optimized right now. Okay, I should really get rid of this crash because it's actually annoying. So when the Okay, wait, where does the crash happen? It probably crashes because the closest pet variable is not reset. Oh, thank you very much. Very nice. Very nice of you. Thank you. Wait, if closest pet is 0, okay, the check should happen here if if does char exist. So we only execute this code when the char actually exists. If the char does not exist, then we set this to we set the variable to 0. This might fix a crash, not true. Water time. Okay. Okay, I really hope this was the reason for the crash, because a crashing game makes it really hard to debug. Or makes it really hard to work on a mod. Let's spawn a boost. Oh. Okay, let's see what happens. So, I open the door. One pet enters. What happens now? Oh, okay. He stays in the bus, that's good. But... oh, let's open the door again. Okay, another pet enters. Please don't take a seat. Oh, okay, this was good. This was good. The door closed. I really don't like how NPCs, the passengers, can close the front door. Okay. Let's open the door again. For some reason the back door's also open. Oh, nice. This is progress. Oh, we close the door again. Okay, now we have the maximum amount of passengers. So this one standing at the bus stop should not be able to enter when I open the door. Door open and he does not enter. Nice. Finally some progress. Okay, NPCs can enter. But now they should also be able to leave. I could randomize this. That when I stopped at the bus stop and opened the door, that then a passenger might leave or might not leave. This could be really cool with like a special algorithm or something, so that a pet only ever leaves at a very specific bus stop. This would be so cool. Okay, this works for now. I like. I really like. Okay, so NPCs can enter the the bus. And they don't bug out like they used to, which is pretty cool. So... yeah, a lot more has to be done, but this is pretty cool for now. Get closest pets. Do I need this I'm gonna remove this function for now. I might need this at some point again. Let's put this up here. Call task enter car as passenger func. Isn't this a this? Oh, okay, yeah, we can actually make this a using thingy. So we don't have to call the delete function manually. Very convenient. Okay, well, this mod is quite yeah, okay, nah, that's fine, it's fine. I'm gonna work on the bus part first of the mod, and then I'm gonna work on the train part of the mod, so we can become a train driver. I wonder how this is gonna work with the NPCs. Are the NPCs actually entering the train on by themselves, or do I need to tell them to? I don't know how this works at the moment. Well, let's focus on the bus part for now. Okay, so NPCs can enter the bus, and only 3 NPCs, which is unfortunately the maximum. Yeah, there are so many seats here. Definitely need to find a way to increase the maximum amount of passengers. This could be really nice. Okay, so yeah, I think this is it for now. I will leave this like it is right now. Not as much progress as I hoped. But yeah, this is a tricky mod, I'm not gonna lie. So I think it's fine. One step at a time. Thank you, Chernobyl. Okay. Oh. Wearing this headset for hours is really hurting my head. Damn, what's up with that? You love GTA 4, then you came to the right place, my friend. We do the mod development right here. Mod factory. Okay, yeah, I think this is it for now. I mean, this part works, so people that wait at the bus stop can enter the bus. Now I just gotta make it so they actually leave the bus when we are at the station, or maybe also make it so we can make them force leave, maybe if the bus is like damaged or so. Yeah, a lot of stuff needs to be done still. I'm already fearing the AI part. So we have AI bus drivers driving around. Oof. Not sure how this is gonna turn out. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Alright, yeah guys, I think this is it for now. Thank you everyone for watching. And next stream is gonna be Tuesday, I guess. Is it Tuesday or Thursday? I always mix them up. Let me just double check. Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday is right. Tuesday at 8 PM, I guess, again. I would say. Is the next stream. Then we continue working on this mod. And yeah. Thank you everyone for watching. And I will see you in the next stream. Bye bye.